was pressure washing the trailer with the Honda pressure washer.
About once a month, he pressure washes the whole trailer to make sure it gets off all the grease and...
It gets washed every week, but the pressure washing, it's like once a month.
Trailer is either this product from Production Chemical. It's a wax wash. And as you can see, he uses a sprayer. He sprays on the soap.
But with the pressure washer, it removes all that. It does occasionally offer a little wax, a little shine. Because when you pressure wash it, it looks like dry skin. What happens when you got dry skin? You use that lotion.
Earlier today, I noticed that the trailer looked a little rusty on the mesher. He came home, he pressure washed it, and then he, of course, washed it. Now he's rinsing it. So once he puts the soap everywhere, of course, he rinses it off. So after he pressure washes,
this is my little secret.
After he pressure washes the trailer and of course washes it, he goes back over, and any areas that the paint is missing, he'll do some touch-up sprays. And of course with black paint. It's very easy to maintain the mesh on a trailer. You just have to, like I said, wash it, pressure wash it, and then paint any missing paint. Trailer's all clean.
He's over there, look.
Yeah. Now he's going to go ahead and drop it off at the storage yard.